So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin yung isa sa mga players po na hindi nakapasok sa Gilas Final 12 para po sa 2023 FIBA World Cup. At actually kahit hindi nakapasok sa Gilas Final 12 na, so sumisikat po ngayon kabola. At wala na ibang iba si Bobby Ray Parks. Pag-usapan din natin ng NLEX, and then of course let's continue discussing po yung potential blockbuster trade. So may di pa nakasubscribe kabola, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So Bobby Ray Parks, hindi nga po siya nakuha kabola, no? Na part po ng Gilas Final 12 kabola. At malamang ang mga nakikita nyo yun sa social media puro post niya with his new girlfriend, Zainab kabola, diba? Sikat na vlogger. Kaya naman napapadami na rin, no? Ang tumitingin kung sino ba ito si Bobby Ray Parks kabola, diba? And etc. At ang nakita natin dito na isa, no? May nag-post kasi si Zainab daw pumunta ng Bali, sinamahan ni Ray Parks kabola, and this is during that preparation of Gilas kabola, last 2 weeks actually. So pinili pa ni Bobby Ray Parks sa samahan si Zainab, kaya mapapaisip pa nila so Zainab ba yung dahilan kaya hindi po siya nakapasok sa Gilas Final 12, no? So may mga nagsasabi ng gano'n, yung iba loko-lokohan lang, yung iba parang seryoso kasi nga makikita mo naman talaga sila palagi pa magkasama po sa mga post niya po sa social media. Pero in reality, that is of course not true, I think, diba? So by June pa lang kabola kasi may mga issues na siya regarding sa kanyang health kabola. Hindi siya nakapunta po ng Europe kabola sa preparation po doon ng Gilas because of an injury kabola. So I think by that point pa lang medyo lumalala na yung injury na, and that could be the reason kung bakit hindi rin talaga siya nakasali na dito po sa Final 12 po ng Gilas. Although sa totoo lang din naman, pag injury kasi yan, nilalabas agad yan, nire-report agad. Pero for this one, wala kang nire-report. So, mapapaisip ka talaga. Pero, I will be positive enough to think na malamang it's about injury kabola. Now, NLEX naman kabola. Ayan, naglabas naman statement si Coach Frankie Lim in that article po of Tribune kabola. Sabi niya, NLEX Road Warriors eyes overhaul. Pag sinabi mong overhaul kabola, ibig sabihin yan, papalitan mo talaga, di ba? So in short, marami kang papalitan dito sa team mo kabola, and that could be the plan of NLEX. And I think, actually, it's a good thing to read, di ba? Kasi yung mga ganyan, nagsasabi ng mga ganyan, kabola, is yung mga seryoso lang na makipag-compete. So for them to say that, or for Coach Frankie to say that, parang sinasabi niya, seryoso sila, no? Dito sa plano nila kabola for this upcoming season kabola. They want to compete itong NLEX Road Warriors under him kabola. And of course, if they want to compete, they already have that big three. Solid po yan. Brandon Roser, Kevin Alason, of course, Don Troliano. I think that's already a solid foundation for a competitive team. They just need to make the right trade, kabola, to get the right players to surround those three po. And now let's talk about the worst potential trade between TNT, Blackwater, and NLEX. This is all about, again, the rumor po na ito nga pong TNT gusto ko makuha itong si Brandon Roser kabola. Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. So the worst potential trade will be this one. TNT get Roser, Blackwater will get Justin Chua, Tungkab 2024, TNT first Sean Anthony, and then NLEX get Troy Rosario, Basar Amer, Dave Marcelo. Of course, NLEX, they gave up that potential of Brandon Roser, can easily become a top 5 in the PBA for several years kabola, in exchange for Rosario and then 2 bench guys kabola, or mga 2 former players ni Coach Frankie Lim. I think that is actually not a good package in return for Roser. Kaya nga ito worse kasi worse talagang talong-talo yung dalawang ibang team kabola. While Blackwater naman, nakakuha sila ng 3 veterano kabola, and then the 2024 first in exchange kabola for giving up Troy Rosario and Basar Amer. For this one, not that bad naman kabola, not that bad, diba? Pero still, diba, that's Troy Rosario that they gave up. Chua is also injury prone. Sean Anthony is already, alam mo na, diba? It's already old. The 2024 first, number 10, number 11, number 12 yan. And Tungkab is a quality young man, pero he's not a blue chip kabola. Kaya naman, this is the worst potential trade kabola. Kabola sa palagay mo, pakita ng trade nito kami na po sa baba.